All right, as the XJ's coming together, take a look at this. A little bit of overkill, but sounds absolutely great. Pretty much this is all HYanka, minus the Hyphonics amp and these two 12s. HYanka 12 here, two of the HYanka 8-inch powered subs, HYanka 2000 watt max 4-channel amp, HYanka 6x5 coaxials. These are the HYanka crossovers for the 6.5 components that are on the opposite side of this box, which I'll show you. This is crossover, so this is for the sub or mid, whatever you want to call it, and then the tweeter. So you got two. They're on the opposite side. Getting this together sounds really good. Let me show you the other side of it. And yeah, I custom made most of these boxes in my garage, so you know it is what it is, but it serves my function and sounds good. All right, so I did end up putting a siphoning capacitor in here, just because I got a little bit of dimming light, which obvious is why I got a cluster of wires going back here. They all make sense to me. They all work. So, you know, it's the prettiest thing? No, but it's hidden behind my seat, so no big deal. Again, here's the 6.5 component speakers. So with the tweeters on top and then the mid, subs, whatever, here on the bottom. I've got those powered to the amp. Then up in my factory, I still have the 6.5 coaxials, which are also HYanka. Basically, I've got this Jeep set up. The doors come off, and on these Cherokees, the front speakers actually go on the doors, so I didn't want to keep going through that process, so I just decided to move them all back here. Actually sounds great. I'll get this thing fired up, let you hear it. No, I don't own the rights to the music. It's for educational purposes, so on and so forth. I know people get uptight about that, but I wanted to just kind of show off what I did. Basically did it all in my garage. Like I said, made the speaker boxes. So perfect for what I need it for. I'll let you listen. So with my seat up in the back, you can't see any of the other stuff. It's hidden anyways. So you've got basically the only thing turned forward up here is the two components and then the 6.5-inch coaxials in the headliner. Everything else is rear facing. Still got plenty of room in the passenger compartment, and I'm getting ready to redo all the interior in this thing anyway. So it's great for my purposes and it sounds great.
I'm feeling good. Catch me in the south light, rolling in a black dot, hopping in the sunrise. I'm feeling good. Devil on my hip.
All right, so my goal is going to be to replace the 312s I got back there with two of the HYanka 15s once they make an amp that'll push them for simplicity. Then it'll be a complete HYanka system. So that's the game plan. Stay tuned and we'll see what happens.